Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how you can find modulo in Python. This operator returns the reminder of the division of the number to the left by the number on its right. For example, if I am going to divide 18 by 7, so 7 2s are 14 and here I get the 4. So modulo operator will return this number as output. So let's try how you can find modulo. For this you have to write the statement print, and then you have to write the number 18, and the sign is the percentage sign, and then 7. Okay, now click on run. So here we get the 4 answer. So I also go through with this example. So this in this way you can find modulo in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.